Oh, here we go again. Y'all probably can't see the lightning, but it's doing its thing. My front porch. What? Flowers are getting well watered. This is so beautiful. To me, guys. Look at the park. Anybody want to do the backstroke? We can do it out here. This is Monticello's weather report for the night. It's raining. It's pouring.
It's thundering.
Every now and then, look, you can't even see a lot of stuff.
You really shouldn't be on your phone out here.
Jasmine,
Yes.
I'm getting ready to come in. I just wanted to take the pictures. Now y'all can see the lightning. You seen it. I know you did. All right, people. Facebook. Be nice.